standard input output, redirections, and the pipes. So generally, if you run any application, okay, either graphic application, command application, any application need input. So the programmer write the input is a keyboard, okay, get the input keyboard. In any program, whatever the application graphically, most of the input we are given through keyboard only, input. Okay, so the keyboard is a device, you provide the input generally in our computer. Similarly, output also. Output is a monitor. So any application running, it can throw the output is a monitor. So input is a generally keyboard you can take, input and output. So many input devices are there, so many output devices are there, but standard, the meaning of only particular input device, that is keyboard, okay, standard. So many inputs are there, but keyboard is standard input device. Monitor is standard output device. Okay, the standard now. Okay, so other input devices are there, mouse, some other touch screen, other will be there, but they are not the matter. But keyboard acting as a standard input. So many monitors are there. Okay, particular monitor only, the output only. So any application need a standard input, standard output, compulsory. Because we write the programming, printf all over. The programming understand now where is the output printing now. Printf, where can printing now? Okay, the program can feel like that. What is standard output? Monitor. A programming pointer. Okay, so we write the scanf. Okay, generally where you can take the input now? Keyboard, or not the mouse. That the input where you can take it now? Keyboard. So that's the standard input now. So in your computer, general standard input is the keyboard. Standard output is what? Monitor. Okay, standard input output. Two devices are there. So the application programmer point of view, either command line or graphical, whatever. Okay. So generally every command, no, you type in the command, every command, what are the command you type? Every command output monitor. Okay, the terminal, no, the monitor on every command output. You type whatever, the every command output, no, output where coming? Monitor. To terminal, no, every command. Okay, every command you typing out. But some command take the input internally, or we need to provide also. Okay, through some inputs generally. Okay, for example, ls space abc. So you provide some input actually. Yeah, the input now. Okay, ls command, one input is a current directory, but one more input abc. Okay, now abc is the input is not there. Okay, everything source. abc input is there only for abc file searching. Is matching it so the abc file. Okay, like that. It provide the inputs also. Okay, so cat command, cat space name of the file. Okay, like that you can provide also. So standard input output. Okay, there are three. And one more is also there only. Standard error. Error also there only. Standard error. Okay. The meaning of standard is that is a system defined. Okay. Or the system taken, that is the only device. Standard error also very popular. Because every application running time, you can throw some error also. Some are suddenly pop-up error windows coming, graphical windows. Okay. So errors coming on. But error also, it can throw the monitor only. Okay. Standard error is a what kind of device? Output. Or the device, monitor only. Both are, you can write the data, monitor. But the normal output is a error output only. That's only different. So in your computer, always standard output error is always monitor only point out. Monitor. Okay. For example, ls space abc. So abc is not in the current folder. ls command fail. ls command what? Fail. ls command throws some error or not? No. What error? abc, no such file directory. That is called what? That is called what? Standard error. In case abc file existing, in case it can show the file name only. Which output? Standard output. Like that, every command also. Every command, copy command is there. Copy command 2 argument compulsory. You are given the wrong argument only. Copy command throw error. They call which output now? Standard error. Like that, every application, the command line graphically, error important. So the meaning of standard input output, every running program, okay. So every running generally is called a process, okay. So process is an execution of a program, the command and graphical whatever. Every running process have three file descriptors. Okay, so they generally called file descriptors now. This descriptor, they call it file descriptor. These are the file descriptors now. So why they are called file descriptor? Already I told, the people know also. In Linux, every running program, yeah, I told you, Linux everything is a file. Remember? In Linux everything is a what? File. Okay, keyboard also file, monitor also file. Everything is a file only. But they are called a standardization. Okay? Standard input and output on whatever. Okay, but it's a file. Okay, so that's why Linux point of view, everything is a file. Every file Linux point out with some association, some number. Okay, so the input number 0, output number 1, error number 2. This association, this one is called a file descriptor. File descriptor. File descriptor is an integer number, unsigned integer number. Is always positive only. 0 onward start on. Is an unsigned integer number. This number point out the corresponding file. A 0 point of the file is a keyboard. 1 point out the monitor. 2 also monitor only, but error output only. So they are called file descriptors now. File descriptor. What is file descriptor? File descriptor is on a unsigned integer number. It can point out the corresponding file. Okay. 0 point out which file? Keyboard. 1 point out which one? Monitor. 2 also monitor only, but the way of representation different. Okay. 2 point out the error kind of output only. 1 point out the, tell me, normal output only. So Linux point of everything is a file. Okay, very good. Okay. But Linux, how to find out this is a keyboard, this is a monitor, like that? You have some numbers are there. Number. So your every running process, okay, every running program, okay, is a command line, notepad running only. Linux operating system, notepad run. Notepad application point of view, the 3 number compulsory. Because notepad input required. Notepad is a program input. Input where you can take it now? Keyboard. So notepad is a program. Okay. Notepad, no, whatever information through the monitor. How you can throw? 1. Notepad through error. Where you can? 2. So notepad is a program backend implemented 0, 1, 2. Not one notepad, anything. Whatever the application running in your computer. Okay. Everything is a file. If you run any command and application, as a graphical application, any application you can run. Okay, ls command is there. Ls command output monitor. Okay, the monitor, but ls command internally, the how to communicate the monitor, number 1. So every program internally use this numbers now. So write a program, communicate the device. Linux everything is a file. How to communicate? How to communicate? Number. But every program, the numbers are compulsory, 0, 1, 2. Tomorrow you are going to communicate the like a sensor, some device. Okay, the sensor you are going to create one more number. Okay, the 3 compulsory, everyone only. I want to communicate the temperature sensor. The Linux everything is a file. Sensor also file only. But sensor file you are going to create now. The number you need to create the programmer. But the 3 things you don't create actually. Operating system. That's why the definition now. Okay, the standard definition now. Standard definition now. Okay, in Linux. Okay, every running process have how many file descriptor? 3. 3 file descriptor. Okay, those are what are those are? Tell me. Those are, tell me, 0, tell me, 1, 2. 0 what? Standard input. 1 is what? Standard output. 2 is what? Standard error. So every running program, okay? Every running program is graphically command and whatever. Every running program have 3 file descriptors only. In standard input, standard output, standard error only. 0, 1, 2. So other number programmer create now. Okay? By default, the numbers coming only. That is C programming language, main function. Starting of the program, the 3 are there. You don't want to create now. The program by default understand. Okay, operating system can understand now. What is 0, what is 1, 2. Next line is if you want another thing, you can create. Okay, printer, speaker, you create now. So the 3 things are by default operating system can provide you. Because without the 3 things, no program. Okay, no input, no output, where is the program? Nothing, not happen. Every program need this thing. Okay, that's why operating system. Okay, by default. Okay, we write the program in operating system. So I don't know 2 type of programming are there. General C programming, embedded C programming. General C programming run the operating system. Okay, so you are all a kernel operating system running tomorrow. Whatever next class, whatever they are going to learn the C programming language, no? General C programming. Okay, that time the numbers are there. Embedded C they are not required because embedded C no kernel. Okay, embedded C is a direct firmware programming. The different story. Okay. What is the next one? Redirection. So these are change the direction. Okay, redirection. For example, how to change the direction. Okay. If you run the ls command, okay, ls command, it can show the what? Output. Show the what? Output. That is called a standard output. You should put me standard output now. So the standard output. ls command output now. What is ls command standard output? The current folder content, okay, or the current folder information can show. Okay, you can show standard output only. This standard output, the three things now: input, output, error. The three things now we are going to redirection. Change the direction only. First, to discuss about this one only. This standard output, how to change the direction? Okay, how to change the direction? Okay, see, ls direction changing. Okay, so the meaning of redirection by default it come to here only, but you are telling about not come to the terminal. Okay, we are going to write the another area redirection. Okay, so you can see now that this symbol people understood now. Yeah, they are writing this one or not? The symbol no, they are writing or not? So what are the ls output writing this side? It is not there, write the terminal. The understood now. ls command output writing this side. Okay, change the direction. Okay? Change the direction. Default is here. If it is not the default output, what here? But you mentioned this one, the ls command output redirection. You got a redirection. Redirection to another area. Okay, another area file action. File. The file is this is a file name. Okay, so this one. Okay, what is the meaning of this one? If you mention this one, ls command output, you can't see anything in the terminal. Nothing. Here you can see the what? Terminal. So what happened? Tell me this meaning. ls command output writing into this file now. Okay, so can see now the stand output redirection. Okay, this symbol now. What is symbol? Greater than. So stand output now. How every command output, how to redirection. Okay, the main redirection change another file. Okay, so the command you can do now. This command mention the what are the command output you are writing to here. Yeah. So this file, two things are there. Okay, this file existing. Okay, the file existing in the current folder maybe doesn't existing also. Two things are there. What happened now? If this file existing in the current folder, already exists in the current folder, simply override the content only. Override the content. Copy command like that, no? Copy space ABC XYZ. XYZ is a destination. XYZ is a file existing in the current folder. What happened? Override. Override or not? No? What are the content of ABC? Write the XYZ. Like that, no? Okay? Two things are there. Already file in the current folder. Maybe there already. What happened? Tell me. Override. If existing, no, the existing, what happened? Tell me. Override the content. The meaning of the symbol, mention the symbol. Existing is what? Override. If it doesn't existing, what happened? Copy command all the same thing only. Destination not existing. What happened? Copy command only create. Copy command responsibility. Create the destination and the copy. Yeah, all the same thing only. In case this file not in the current folder, not there. Assumption. ls command responsibility. This symbol responsibility. Tell me. Doesn't existing what? Create. Create now. Create or ls.log. Create. Create log and copy the write the content. Two things are there. So here any name you mention, okay, the name is the ABC also, the name is the Kishore also, whatever, your name is not a matter. What are the name you mention? It works now. Okay, .log, .text, whatever, the name is a whatever, not a matter here. Okay, simply write down it now. But the recommended to mention is a ls.log only. So why the recommended nothing but? So if you tomorrow understanding easy, because it's a ls command output. Okay, that's why the ls. Okay, understood now the meaning. Okay, tomorrow grep command output, grep.log something. Okay, the meaningful name can assign. So the ls is a ls.log. ls command output in this file contained, because the file created now. Tomorrow you can understand very simple. That's why mention. Why .log? The log representation output of the program. Okay, the program output. No, the ls command output. ls is some program. Okay, any program output where you can store log files. Okay, that's why recommended .log extension. If you want put .txt, anything is acceptable. So not only ls command, this symbol can understand any command also. Any command. everything. Cat space ABC greater than another file. Any command works on now. Every command no support on now. Okay. Cat space ABC. So cat space ABC, you have to enter. What happened? The content of ABC where write the terminal. Display the ABC content. Okay. So now cat space ABC greater than XYZ. What the meaning? Yeah, the whole command. The whole command. Here what happened? The command output terminal. But what happened? This command output, tell me. Write down to what? XYZ. XYZ. Okay. So now what happened? Tell me what are the content of ABC come to what? Tell me. XYZ. So now this command exactly same as this command or not? Tell me both are same or not? Hello. They also the file doesn't existing. Tell me. Overwrite. Yeah, also the same meaning only. The file doesn't existing. What happened? Overwrite. ls space enter. Okay. This one. Now ls space tell me greater than ls dot log. So now ls command output we can't see the monitor. Okay. Correct? So ls command output where it can enter? ls dot log. Okay. The file right now not there. Okay. So now create the file creating and copy the content. Now you can see one new file creating also. What a new file name? ls.log. Okay. Now you can see ls space -l. So just now the file creating also. Just now. Default permissions are this one. Okay. Yeah, you can see now the default. Okay. The user group file size 26 bytes only. Okay. Now you can see the content of ls.log. So ls.log content is what? No. The output of the current folder. No. Yeah. ls command output. Correct? ls command output. So earlier what happened? You see the terminal. Okay. Generally ls command you can see the terminal. Okay. But same thing you write the ls.log. Now cat space ABC. Okay. Greater than. Okay. Test like that. What happened now? ABC file content I don't where test. Now. So now new file creating also. New file. What is new file name? Tell me. Test. So ABC file, what are the content? 15 bytes content. Test also same content only. Okay, same content. Okay, so you know the same permissions also. Both are same. So the same. Okay, the file is not there. Creating and write down also. This is exactly same as a copy command like that. Copy command. Okay, and one more way also there only. Okay, so another way is one more symbol. Okay, other symbol 2 greater than stop. 2 greater than. Whenever if you mention the 2 greater than 2 greater than mention. Single greater than is the overwrite. Double greater than is the appended. It is not overwrite the existing file. Okay, so the useful for file existing only. File doesn't existing is a meaningless action. File already existing in the current folder. It is not overwrite action. What is the meaning? Appended. So already file is there, some content is there, the content not disturbing only. End of the file, writing the content on. ABC file content is the kernel master. If you run this command, XYZ already kernel master is there. Already is there. Okay, if you run this command, what XYZ file content? Already kernel master is there. What the content? Again appended. End of the file again what time? Again kernel master. Appended. Okay. If you only single get the mention, what happened? Only kernel master. Only what? Kernel master. Like that we are implementing now. Okay. You know, appended now. So we are not disturbing the file content now. Okay. So now you can see the content of test file. Okay. Kernel master. Okay. So now if you run the cat the ABC file also test only. So now we are going. If you write down this one is a just to content always the kernel master one because overwrite now. Okay, kernel master. But double greater than meaning is what? What the meaning? Appended. So existing content of text doesn't disturb now. Okay. So now you can see appended or not. If you run the command one more time, what happened? Again one more time. So how many time we are run the command? That number of time appending now. Okay. Existing content not disturbing. The file have 100 lines are there. The 100 lines are not disturbing. First 200 lines as it is. So you write the where end of the line. Okay, that is called what? Appended. You don't disturb the existing file, you can go with this symbol. Okay, double greater than. Okay. Again, if you write the single greater than, what happened? What a file content? Only kernel masters only. Okay, the overwriting only kernel master. So the symbol very dangerous now. Okay, that one copy command also. So what is the destination file existing also? The entire content what overwrite with a new one. So the overwrite is very dangerous. Okay, be careful. Similarly, cat like that. One more command is there. Echo. Echo ABC. So echo is command. Print the content. What are the argument? Print the content of the terminal. Just printing one. Echo ABC output also ABC one. Simple. Echo. Again, no, printing no, as it is no. Echo. Echo is like a printf like that. Okay. Echo. A printf style format also. Echo. Echo no the hello world. The string. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. A statement. Okay. Yeah, some. Hello world. The output also hello world. Okay. Echo is command print to the terminal. Okay. No, echo. You can echo something, output only. Whatever echo, write output only. It's a printf like that actually. Okay, printf statement like that. Test 1, 2, 3. Output also test 1, 2, 3. Whatever you're given here. Okay, echo command, whatever you're given, everything is a terminal. Echo. If you write something in the terminal, write down the echo space something. Okay, so something. A printf like that. Echo. So echo is a write into the terminal. Okay, echo. What a cat. Cat read some file content. The file content write the terminal. Some file have some content. You have no file anything here. Okay, some dummy data write the terminal only. But echo command useful to write some content to the another file also. Another file. Okay. So because you know already this symbol. This one get that. So normally echo command hello world write the where terminal. Echo printf basically write the where terminal. Stand output terminal. But we have stand output redirection to another file. What another file? Tell me. Example of the test one. Test. What happened now? So now echo command not print the monitor because what is the print in the monitor now? What happened? What is symbol? Stand output redirection. Right? Which file? Test. Test file. This command one success. Test file contain the hello world. So what is the meaning of this one? Tell me. This command, echo is a command, some content. What are the some content? Write into another file. Write into another file. This command what? ls command output write the another file. But what about this one? Echo command write whatever the user, as a programmer user, what are the data you want write. That is the data your choice only. And here not like that. Here what? ls command output down now. But here what are the data writing on? Okay. Okay, write into file. Okay, you are write something you want write into any file. Okay, so then echo because of this symbol only. Okay, so read from file. Okay, read from the file. Write into some file is a echo. Tell me, read from the file. Which command? Tell me, cat. So cat is a command useful from read some file and write the monitor. If you want read any file, which one? Cat. You want write down some content. Okay, the another file. Which file? Tell me. Echo. Okay, because of this symbol. Okay, echo is not generally performed to another file. Okay, you want to use this symbol compulsory. Echo is a command write into where actually monitor. That's it. But today, because of this symbol, echo command useful to write some content into another file. So echo is a writing to file. Cat is a read from the file. So echo and cat combination, okay, they're beautiful. Okay, this combination you can pronounce as editor. So normally VM editor is there, notepad is there. What editor? The editor purpose what? Write something in the file, save it, and read in the file also. Writing also, they open a VM editor, read the content of the file. You want modify, modify whatever you want. Save it now. Okay. So VM editor and notepad. All editor, what the purpose? No? Same purpose. No, you can do what? Combination of echo and cat. But limitation is there here. Not a full-page editor, but limitation. Small data you want writing. Small data you want reading. On the terminal immediately. They are the best one. Cat and echo. Okay. Cat and echo is a combination. You can call editor. Okay. So for example, echo the hello monitor. Okay, echo hello test. What a test output? Tell me. What test output? Tell me. Hello. Okay, echo. Okay, what is the now? What test output now? What test output? Tell me. Yeah, first line hello, next line how are you? Understood? No, you're. So because of the what standard output appended. Standard output what appended? Only greater than is standard output only. Override. Double greater than standard output redirection appended. Okay. So the symbol. Okay. Now the symbol in the instance. What is symbol? The symbol is can call what? Standard output. Tell me what a meaning. Redirection. Standard output redirection. But standard output redirection. What the method? Appended. Appended method is a first one override. This symbol also written as a one more way also. One greater than also. One greater than, single greater than. Both are same only. One double greater than or double greater than also. Both are same only. Okay. Both are same. One is not a matter. Okay. If you one mention one greater than, same result. Because your people know also what the one. What a one. Standard output now. So one greater than works only. One single greater than also works only. Generally, only single greater than you are using one. Mostly, okay, this way. So this is a standard output redirection concept. Standard error also. Error is there. Standard error redirection. What is standard error? Nothing but so output also, error also. Both are right the monitor only. Okay. But output is a normal output. Okay. This is what tell me. Error output. Every program internally, normal output different, error output different. So best programmer, the responsibility verify the best, the normal output also, error output. Programmer don't only think about the success only. The programmer think about the failure conditions also. Okay, this situation fail, what happened? Okay, we have some fail chances also. Because the fail condition, you can write the error action. Best programmer. Okay, monitor also. So now you can see 2 file descriptor 2 now. Okay. One greater than is a or greater than. What I mean? Standard output redirection. What 2 greater than? Standard error redirection. What 2 greater than? Tell me. Standard error redirection. Okay. Standard redirection only one symbol only. This is a greater than also, one greater than also. But only one symbol. Always 2 greater than only. That's it. 2 greater than nothing but standard error redirection. For example, ls space abc. This is success only. Okay. I remove the abc file. Okay. Now current port no abc file. ls space abc. Now tell me what happened. What output? Tell me. Yeah. So this output now, this output we can pronounce what? Tell me. Standard error output. So how this output change the direction? No? Redirection. How change it now? 2 tell me greater than. Only greater than mention, the output not enter also. For example, only greater than mention. Okay, nothing happen. Okay. So because the greater than is only for what? Normal output. But no, what is the output is coming is the error output actually. The greater than only for store where normal output. So now if you run this command, normal output only writing now. Cannot. But normal output not there right now. There no normal output or not now. Okay. So that's why the error output where you can write in terminal. Normal as it is now. Okay. So now you can see ls.log, nothing is happening. Nothing is there. Okay. 2 greater than, 2 greater than. Yeah. Now you can see now that. So error is coming or not? Understood everyone clearly? So the ls space abc. In the current code abc is not there. Ls command fail. Fail output now. Command fail output. How to another file? 2 greater than. 2 greater than is a standard error redirection. Success will be different. No, the failure different. For example, ls space abc not there. Okay. ls space xyz. Xyz is there. Okay. In the current folder, abc will be there. abc is not there. Okay. So XYZ is there. ABC is not there. Okay. Now LS space XYZ space ABC. What output now? What output? Tell me. Hello. So the command what happened? It can throw normal output also and what? Normal error output also. Tell me, yes or no? This command only normal output only. This command only for what? Error output only. What about this command? Both. Okay. Now if you mention the greater than, only normal output. Okay. Ls that log only. And you mention 2 greater than, what happened? Tell me. What happened? Tell me. Error output now. So okay. Now what happened? The ls command success output coming to where? Ls that log. This command failure coming to where? So now the output nothing is there. Okay. Because success coming to the success log file, error coming to what? Error log file. Okay. Now success output where you can see? Here. Failure output where you can see? Combination also. Combination. Okay. You can go combination. Ampersand greater than, a combination. The meaning of ampersand is the combination of standard output and standard error only. Both. So ampersand of greater than is a standard output and error. Both now. Okay. Standard output and error, both combination. Okay. Yeah. So now you can see both combination. Now ls error dot log contain the normal output also, error also. Here both you want type in the one file only, both. Then what is symbol? Okay. Ampersand greater than is a combination actually. Both combination, what tell me? What are both combination? Ampersand greater than. Okay. So like that, the output error like that, input also. Standard input redirection also possible. That is called a less than symbol. So for example, your people know cat space ABC. Cat command what input? ABC. You mention like this one also. Tell me. ABC is the input to which command? ABC. Cat no, the less than ABC. Without less than also okay. But the meaning what input given or not? Like that. Okay. But 100% you don't do it at all anyway. Nothing. Never useful. Okay. You are mostly use the output and tell me which one? Error. They are very nothing. I think my experience I never see this one anyway. Okay, we never using just to the symbol like that. Okay, what about the symbol? Input redirection. What is symbol name in the standard input redirection? Okay, that's all. That is the story of standard input, standard output, and the error redirection. Okay, the story done now.